Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this keyboard right here, the RK61. I traded it with a friend from my last keyboard review video. But normally it's $50, but then I put my custom keycaps on them. Well, not custom, just keycaps I bought. They're $20 on Amazon. I'll link in the description for both the keyboard. But I'm just going to be reviewing it and might do a sound test even though they're just blue switches. You guys probably heard them before. But anyways, let's get into it. Okay guys, so on the front, just normal keycaps, you've seen that. But then they got their branding, RK, Royal Kludge. Yeah, just pretty simple, pretty nice keyboard overall. On the back, you got the model and rating and just their branding again, and just basic info. This rubber feet was like out of position, so like I had to put like tape on it for it to be stable, or also like wiggle some. But yeah, it was fine. I fixed it, but it just has this Bluetooth switch. Okay, the lubing looks pretty good on each side. Not really bad. There's a little hair in there. I need to clean this. I haven't cleaned it since I got it. But yeah, the lubing's fine. It's blue switches, as I said. Wasn't focusing. Yeah, you guys all heard blue switches before, I'm pretty sure. Now I'm probably just gonna show the different RGB modes and do a sound test probably. But yeah, they're just blue switches, so no biggie. But before I do the before I get into the different RGB modes, the color is only blue. You can't change the color, but it has different settings like waves and stuff, so that's pretty fine. The only thing I don't like, it just doesn't match my mouse pad, but it's whatever. Okay, the first one, just full keyboard. You can dim it, brighten it. Got this setting, wave, and kind of got like a wave too, pressing different keys. And you got this just line. You got this. Full keyboard again. Not much. You got fade, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna be doing the sound test. They're just blue switches, so if it's bad, sorry, nothing much. Okay, here's the sound test. Okay guys, so that's it with this keyboard, normal keyboard, RK61. The only thing I don't like about it is the switches, which I could probably easily change those, or and that's only one color. It's kind of dumb, $50 keyboard with one color. But I'm probably gonna buy some new keyboards soon. There's probably gonna be a lot more videos coming out more lately since school is done. I'm not busy anymore. But please like and subscribe so I can hit 100 subs. But if you made it this far, thank you. Thanks for watching, and yeah. Oh yeah guys, one more thing. Let me know if you guys want a setup tour, because I'm gonna be moving soon. I'm gonna have a whole different setup, a new desk, maybe new monitors, and I'm just been saving up for a new PC. So let me know down in the comment section below if you want a setup tour, because I'll show you guys. She ain't better than mine. Yeah, my bitches are dying, yo. Ain't good ID.